Are you receiving iCloud emails just fine, but sending emails just won't work? This is a classic SMTP settings problem. iCloud SMTP issues usually happen because of incorrect server addresses, wrong port numbers, etc. The frustrating part is, one tiny setting being off can cause the whole thing to fail. In this video, I'll walk you through the correct iCloud Mail SMTP settings and show you exactly how to configure them properly to fix your sending issues once and for all. And if you need extra help, our support team is available at the numbers on the screen. The very first thing you need to do on your iPhone is open Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Mail option. Next, you should choose the Accounts option. From here, you select the Gmail or iCloud option. After that, you should tap on the Accounts option. Now, tap on SMTP. Then, ensure that your primary SMTP server is on. If not, then turn it on and see if your problem is resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.